द मैजिक केटल। सो गाइस ये थर्ड चैनल का ये इंग्लिश लेसन, मेक श्योर तुम जरूर एंड सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना, फटाफट सब्सक्राइब करो। Tanuki is a small furry dog like animal found in Japan. There are many imaginary stories about this playful little animal. It is believed in the story that a tanuki can take the shape of anything or any animal. Here is a story of about a tanuki and a peddler called Jimmy. So guys, it's like a something. It's very magically. So make sure you and subscribe करना, do not subscribe करो। Once in the country of Japan, there lived an old man. He lived in a beautiful house high up in the mountains. He was proud of his house with its white straw mats and pretty papered walls. Okay. To let the smell of the trees and flowers come in. One day he was standing looking at the mountain opposite when he heard a kind of rumbling noise in the room behind him. He turned around and saw a rusty old iron kettle in a corner. मतलब पता है क्या, वो खड़ा था, एक दिन की बात है, वो खड़ा था माउंटेन के अपोजिट में, वहाँ उसको एक अजीब सी रंबलिंग की आवाज़ आई। ठीक है, आवाज़ आई तो उसने क्या किया, वो पीछे मुड़ के देखा तो उसको क्या देखा, एक ओल्ड आयरन की केटल यानी कि जिससे हम चाय डालते हैं। उससे हिंदी में क्या कहेंगे केटल को, इसे हिंदी में कुछ तो कहते हैं हाउ द केटल गॉट देयर। द ओल्ड मैन डिड नॉट नो बट ही पिक्ड इट अप, कॉल्ड इट ओवर केयरफुली। That's a piece of luck, he said, smiling to herself. My old kettle was getting worn out, and this looks like a good kettle. मतलब उसने क्या बोला, खुद को बोला कि मेरी जो पुरानी केटल थी वो वैसे ही खराब हो गई, तो गर्म होती थी बार बार, तो गाइस मुझे ये वाली केटल बहुत अच्छी है। उसने खुद से ही बात किया उसने। He filled a new kettle with water and put it on fire. As soon as the water in the kettle began to get warm, a strange thing happened. The man thought that he must be dreaming. The handle of the kettle slowly changed its shape and became a head. The spot grew into a tail out of the body of the kettle, sprang 4 paws. In a few minutes, the man was watching not a kettle but a tanuki. The tanuki jumped off the fire and bounded about the room like a kitten. It ran up the pretty papered wall and even across the ceiling. The old man could not catch it. He called his neighbor for help. Somehow they caught the tanuki and shut it up in a wooden chest. Running after the tanuki had made them both very tired. They sat down on the mat to rest. क्या होता देखो, like if you see in this, वो ना पानी जाता केटल में, पानी मिल जाता उसमें ना, as soon as the water began to get warm, जैसे पानी जब गर्म होता ना, एक स्ट्रेंज थिंग आ जाता, वो सोचता कि क्या है, मतलब उसको लगता है कि वो सपना देख रहा है, बट ऐसा नहीं होता। फिर उसको स्लोली ना उसका जो शेप चेंज होता, केटल का जो शेप चेंज होता, एंड वो बन जाता एक एनिमल तानुकी। जैसा हमने अभी देखा, तानुकी इज अ स्मॉल फरी डॉग लाइक एनिमल फाउंड इन जापान। तो गाइस बन जाता, फिर आगे देखते तानुकी में जंप करता, वो जंप करता, फिर एक किटन की तरह वो हो जाता, फिर सीलिंग की तरफ भागता, सब करता, मतलब मस्ती खो रहता वो एनिमल। ठीक है, आगे देखते हैं। I think it's last lesson of 3rd standard. What shall I do with this naughty animal? I don't want to keep it in the house, said the old man. Why don't you sell it off to Jimu, the peddler? The neighbor suggested. That's a good idea, said the old man. So they sent for Jimu. When he came, the old man went to the chest and lifted the lid very, very carefully. But there was no tanuki inside, only the old rusty kettle. The old man had found. He did not now want to keep the kettle. He gave it away to Jimu without taking any money for it. Jimu put the kettle in his cloth bag and started off home. He felt that his bag was getting heavier and heavier on the way, but he did not put it down on reaching home. Jimu put the bag away carefully in a corner. तो वो जो आदमी जगह से लेता, उसको ना वो एट दी एंड उसको केटल नहीं चाहिए, बिकॉज केटल में कुछ ना कुछ झोल है। ठीक है, उसको केटल नहीं चाहिए रहती, वो क्या करता, जिसने लिया था जिमू से उसको दे देता एंड वो अपने बैग में रख देता। क्या होता, बैग बहुत हैवी हो जाता। आगे देखते क्या होता। एट नाइट व्हेन जिमू वाज फास्ट asleep, he heard a sudden noise and woke up. He could not see anything, but he thought he heard some noises in the corner. When he lit the lamp, he saw that the kettle had turned into a tanuki once again. It was running around, changing its own tail. It ran here and there and jumped and turned somersaults. Okay. Jimu sat watching the tanuki for a long time. Then he fall asleep. When he got up in the morning, he saw that the tanuki had not run away. The old kettle was still there lying in a corner. He picked up it lovingly. तो यार जब वो सोता रहा, जब उसके आवाज़ आई तो वो उठता तो देखता उसको कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा क्या दिख रहा है उसे. फिर दिखता है उसे वहाँ पे केटल नहीं है, वहाँ पे वो तानुकी बैठा है, वो तानुकी मस्ती कर रहा है. तो वो बोलता है इसका चलता था, वो सो जाता. फिर सुबह उठ के देखता तो वहाँ पे तानुकी है, मीन्स वो केटल भाई पड़ा हुआ है कॉर्नर में. आगे देखते हैं. डू यू विश टू स्टे विथ मी, तानुकी ही आस्क्ड. To his surprise, the tanuki answered in human voice, I will stay with you and make you very rich. You can show me around, people will give a lot. You can show me around. You can show me around. People will give a lot money to see a kettle turn into a tanuki and dance. So that's what they did. Jimu set up a booth with a platform. He put the kettle on the platform. At his command, the kettle turned into a tanuki. At Jimu's command, the little furry animal would then walk, run, jump, lean, turn, anything. कुछ भी करता था वो. लिटरली गाइस वो उसका क्या पता कुछ तो था, वो ट्रेन हो सकता है. ठीक है. People love to see the kettle change into a playful little animal that could do all this. They paid Jimu well to see the show. Big crowds of people come to watch the show, and the dear little tanuki never disappoint them. Merrily danced many dances. The shudder dance, the fun dance, the umbrella dance, it never tired of dancing. मतलब गाइस वो एनिमल कभी रुकता नहीं था, नाचते रहता था. ठीक है. Soon Jimu had collected lots and lots of money. He had become a very rich man. He said to the tanuki, dear tanuki, you have made me very rich. We can both live in a comfort now. We can stop the show if you like. So they decided to stop the show. But Jimu did not forget the old man who had given him the magic kettle. He gave some of the money to the old man. All of them lived long and happy lives. Jimu and the old man are no more, but you must still come across the magic kettle lying in a corner somewhere in Japan. तो guys it's like बहुत सही था लास्ट में. उसके बाद बहुत पैसे आ गए तो उसने क्या बोला, हम काम नहीं करेंगे, हम सुकून की जिंदगी गुजारेंगे आगे, हमेशा मस्ती मजाक करते रहेंगे. तो फिर उन लोग ने काम छोड़ दिया एंड दे आर हैप्पी. अब तो नहीं है. सो या इफ यू लव दिस वीडियो यू नो व्हाट टू डू. फटाफट मेरे चैनल को लाइक करो, शेयर करो, सब्सक्राइब करो एंड सब कुछ भूलना पर लाइक सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना. फटाफट सब्सक्राइब करो. माई सेल्फ सियर जेना आप देख रहे हो अकेडमी. बाय.